Have you ever felt like your dreams are just out of reach despite your efforts? It's a common sentiment in a world where we're told that the law of attraction can bring us everything we desire. The law of attraction has gained immense popularity. It promises to manifest our desires through the power of positive thinking. But what if there's a hidden key, a missing piece, that can transform your manifesting game? Today, we're uncovering that very key, the law of vibration, and how it holds the secret to true success in manifestation. Understanding the law of vibration and manifestation. The law of vibration is a fundamental concept closely tied to the law of attraction, and understanding it is pivotal to unlocking the secret of successful manifestation. At its core, the law of vibration posits that everything in the universe, from the tangible to the intangible, is energy vibrating at distinct frequencies. Picture the universe as a grand symphony, with each element, thought, and emotion emitting its unique vibrational frequency. This idea underscores that our thoughts, feelings, and even the objects around us are in a constant state of motion, emitting these vibrations. Here's the fascinating connection to the law of attraction. Like attracts like. When we hold a specific thought or emotion, we emit a corresponding vibration into the universe. The universe then responds by drawing to our energies and experiences that match the frequency of our thoughts and emotions. To illustrate this concept, consider Amy, a woman who dreamt of launching her own successful business. Amy, however, found herself stuck in a cycle of doubt and fear, believing that her dream was just out of reach. Her predominant vibrational frequency was one of uncertainty and lack. As a result, the universe mirrored this back to her, presenting obstacles and missed opportunities. However, Amy realized the power of aligning her vibrations with her desired outcome. Through introspection and mindful practices, she gradually shifted her thoughts and emotions towards confidence, abundance, and success. As her vibrational frequency changed, so did the circumstances in her life. She started attracting the right people, opportunities, and resources, leading her to manifest her dream business successfully. Amy's story illustrates the profound connection between the law of vibration and manifestation. It underscores the notion that by aligning our thoughts and emotions with our desires, we can consciously raise our vibrational frequency, thereby attracting the experiences we truly want. The science behind vibration and attraction. To comprehend the profound connection between vibration and attraction, we delve into the realm of science, the principles of quantum physics, and the concept of energy fields. These scientific concepts provide the foundation for understanding how matching frequencies attract similar energies. In quantum physics, everything is considered to be made up of vibrating energy. Subatomic particles, the building blocks of matter, are in constant motion. They are emitting vibrational frequencies. This notion extends beyond the physical realm into thoughts, emotions, and consciousness. Our thoughts and emotions are forms of energy, and like particles in quantum physics, they vibrate at distinct frequencies. Imagine the universe as an infinite radio station with countless channels, each representing a unique vibrational frequency. Just as you tune your radio to a specific frequency to listen to your favorite station, your thoughts and emotions serve as your tuner in this cosmic radio. When your thoughts and emotions are aligned with a particular frequency, you tune in to experiences and energies that match that frequency. Now, let's consider the subconscious mind's role in emitting vibrations and attracting experiences. Our subconscious mind is like the hidden DJ of our cosmic radio. It holds our deep-seated beliefs, fears, and desires, which often operate beneath our conscious awareness. These beliefs and emotions emit vibrations, influencing the frequencies we align with. Harnessing the law of vibration for successful manifestation involves aligning your conscious desires with your subconscious beliefs. When you consciously focus on positive thoughts and emotions that resonate with your goals, you begin to shift your vibrational frequency, gradually tuning into the energies that can help you manifest your desires. Have you ever wondered that the reason behind never reaching your goals might be that deep down, you don't feel worthy of achieving anything? Vibrating correctly, the key to effective manifestation. To unlock the full potential of the law of vibration, it's essential to grasp the concept of vibrating correctly. This means harmonizing your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with your desired outcome. The importance of this alignment cannot be overstated. Think of your vibrations as a finely tuned instrument. They produce beautiful music when they are in harmony. However, suppose your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs are discord, like an out-of-tune instrument. In that case, they create a cacophony that repels your desires. One of the most common pitfalls in manifestation is conflicting vibrations. For instance, you may consciously desire financial abundance, but deep down, harbor beliefs of scarcity or unworthiness. These conflicting vibrations send mixed signals to the universe, leading to frustration when your desires don't materialize as expected. Raising your vibrational frequency and aligning your energies for effective manifestation involves several practical strategies. One powerful approach is gratitude. Starting your day by acknowledging what you're thankful for shifts your focus towards abundance, elevating your vibration with positive energy. Visualization is another critical tool. By vividly imagining your desired outcomes and feeling the associated emotions, you harmonize your thoughts and emotions with your goals, sending a potent signal to the universe. Crafting positive affirmations can reprogram your subconscious mind, replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones, aligning your vibrations with your aspirations. Surrounding yourself with positivity through uplifting content and supportive relationships helps maintain a high vibrational frequency. Lastly, regular meditation calms the mind, reducing negativity and allowing you to identify and replace conflicting vibrations with harmonious ones. Unveiling the hidden key to manifestation. Up until now, we've explored the law of vibration and its role in successful manifestation. We've discussed the significance of aligning your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with your desires. But what if there's a hidden key, a secret that accelerates the manifestation process even further? Enter the concept of emotional congruence. Emotional congruence is the missing piece in the puzzle of manifestation. It goes beyond simply thinking and affirming your desires. It's about feeling and embodying them as if they were already a reality. When your emotions are in sync with your desires, your vibrational match becomes incredibly powerful. You create a heightened vibrational match that sends a resounding signal to the universe by aligning your emotions with your desires. Within a remarkably short period, you will receive your dreams and desires. Applying the hidden key in daily life. Now that we've unveiled the hidden key to manifestation, emotional congruence, let's explore how to apply this transformative concept in your daily life. Here's a step-by-step process to help you harness the power of emotional congruence for effective manifestation. 1. Identify your desires. Begin by identifying your specific desires or goals. Be as clear and detailed as possible about what you want to manifest. 2. Acknowledge your emotions. Next, tune into your emotions. Ask yourself how you would feel if you already had what you desire. Allow yourself to experience these emotions fully. This step is crucial as it bridges the gap between desire and manifestation. 3. Shift your vibrations. With your desired emotions in mind, consciously shift your vibrational frequency to match them. This involves aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with the emotions you've identified. Use positive affirmations, visualizations, and gratitude practices to reinforce these emotions. 4. Mindfulness and awareness. Mindfulness plays a pivotal role in maintaining emotional congruence. Regularly check in with yourself to ensure your thoughts and emotions align with your desires. If you notice any negativity or doubt creeping in, acknowledge it without judgment and gently realign your focus. 5. Experiment and track progress. Manifestation is a dynamic process. Experiment with different techniques to enhance emotional congruence and track your progress. Keep a journal to record your experiences, noting any signs of your desires manifesting. This practice reinforces your belief in the process. Remember that the journey of emotional congruence is not always linear. It may require patience and persistence, especially when dealing with deeply ingrained beliefs and emotions. Trust the process, have faith in your abilities, and detach from the need for immediate results. Case studies and real-life examples. To further illustrate the profound impact of emotional congruence on manifestation, let's delve into some inspiring real-life success stories. Jim Carrey's remarkable success story with the law of attraction epitomizes the power of belief and visualization. When a struggling actor wrote himself a $10 million check dated 5 years in the future, he applied the law of attraction, aligning his thoughts and emotions with his desired success. Carey's unwavering belief and visualization practices led him to manifest exactly that amount for a movie role just before the check's due date. This transformative journey from hardship to Hollywood icon serves as a powerful example of how aligning thoughts, emotions, and actions with a vision can turn dreams into reality, inspiring countless others to pursue their ambitions with conviction. Will Smith's inspiring journey to success through the law of attraction and emotional congruence is a testament to the transformative power of belief and positivity. Facing financial adversity, Smith decided to change his life by tapping into the law of attraction. He didn't just visualize his future success, he immersed himself emotionally in the vision. Smith vividly imagined his desired future, feeling the emotions of achievement and abundance. Through unwavering belief, persistent effort, and emotional congruence, Smith's life underwent a remarkable transformation. He secured a pivotal role in The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, launching his acting career. His commitment to aligning his thoughts, emotions, and actions with his aspirations propelled him to become one of Hollywood's most celebrated stars. Will Smith's story vividly demonstrates that emotional congruence, combined with the law of attraction, can turn dreams into reality, even when faced with daunting challenges. Overcoming challenges and staying consistent. While emotional congruence is a potent tool for manifestation, it's essential to acknowledge that maintaining it can indeed be challenging. Doubts, fears, and negative emotions may surface, threatening to disrupt your alignment. Here are strategies to overcome these challenges and stay on course. Firstly, self-awareness plays a pivotal role. Promptly recognizing doubts and negative emotions enables you to acknowledge them without judgment, understanding they're part of the process. Secondly, engage in reframing negative thoughts by consciously replacing them with positive affirmations or empowering beliefs, reminding yourself of your goals and the emotions tied to them. Thirdly, employ regular visualization exercises to reinforce emotional congruence, vividly picturing your desires and the accompanying positive emotions. Additionally, practice mindfulness to stay grounded and prevent negativity from spiraling. Lastly, seek support from friends or mentors who can offer insights and motivation, sharing your journey for added encouragement and guidance. In summary, we've uncovered the profound principles of the law of vibration and the hidden key to successful manifestation, emotional congruence. We've explored how aligning your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with your desires creates a powerful vibrational match, paving the way for your dreams to become reality. The beauty of manifestation is that it's within reach for everyone. It's not reserved for a select few, but accessible to anyone willing to apply these principles consistently. So I encourage you to unlock your hidden key to manifesting success. Apply what you've learned, stay persistent, and watch your desires materialize. Share your experiences in the comments below, and remember to subscribe for more empowering content on personal growth and manifestation.